What is The Bronx is Blooming?
So the Bronx is Blooming is an environmental organization and a nonprofit in the Bronx that focuses on environmental stewardship, community building, and youth leadership development.
How have you seen it benefit the community and the environment?
So I guess it's helped the community by kind of both directly and indirectly, because we get volunteers from the community. It gives people like a space to really be with nature and be planting, and I think that the surrounding community kind of like indirectly benefits just by having a place that is more green, is more like connected to wildlife, and especially now in COVID, and people are going to parks even more. So just being in a space that's more like green.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I think also that it's because we do get a lot of our volunteers from New York here, so we get them from all around the city.
True.
It connects the communities within the city, which I think is super important, and there's exchanges between people from all parts of the city, which I think is always a nice thing. And then environmentally, because we only plant native plants, we are trying to provide habitat and food for native bees and insects and bird species, and just supporting the ecosystem. I think it's super important for the environment because we're really using the land extremely effectively in the parks.
And just to also add on, during like the summers for our place program, I think part of helping the community is that I think we provide a lot of like jobs and employment for like Bronx youth, and jobs that are in like, the STEM field. So I think that that's another way that it benefits the community.
What makes The Bronx is Blooming special to you?
For me, it's the community volunteers, because we do sort of many small community groups. Getting to know these volunteers is very, very special, and I feel so lucky to be able to do a part of that.
I think for me what makes it special is that it's really like a place where you're able to like be in nature and an urban environment at the same time, and then also like creating that, I think, same kind of space for our community volunteers.